What if you had the insider edge to dominate commercial restoration? Hey there, I'm Clark, coach and founder of CATx and of course, Restoration Advisors. I am pumped to welcome you to CATx, the ultimate training and coaching program for contractors ready to win big. Today's your intro to what we're all about and what's coming your way with our Blueprint newsletter. Let's roll. Make sure you subscribe for free to make sure you never miss one of these nestled in your inbox weekly. So what is CATx? So picture this, 23 years of commercial and large loss mastery distilled into a powerhouse built for small and medium-sized companies. I think small and medium-sized companies deserve to do the commercial work in their backyard. I founded CATx after decades in the trenches, floods, fires, chaos, big mold jobs, traveling. I founded CATx after decades in the trenches, floods, fires, chaos. I worked for other people. I owned my own company. I owned other businesses. So I like to say I can mix the two things, which are business and the disaster recovery industry. You need to know how to do both. CATx is going to show you how to do both. I got tired of seeing too many contractors stall out when they should have soared. They were perfectly capable people. They just didn't have the blueprint. We're here to flip that over today, bridging the gap to profitable, game-changing commercial projects in your backyard. Our mission is simple. Cut through the noise, fear, cash flow headaches, big competitors, and hand over the tools to succeed. You don't need a mega crew to crack this market, just to know how. That's CATx. Real-world experience turned into training, coaching, mentorship that works. It's not theory. It's battle-tested. Not just going to give you a bunch of stories about how this could work. I'm going to give you blueprints of how it does work. Here's where the blueprint comes in. Your ticket to the inside track. Every issue is going to be packed with high-level gold. We're actually going to give you strategies to land the commercial jobs, systems to keep the cash flow flowing, and tips to outsmart the insurance traps. It's not fluff. It's 23 years of wins boiled down into bite-sized, actionable hits. Think of it as your playbook on the field. What's in it? Expect some insights on wrangling stakeholders, property managers, owners, adjusters, without breaking a sweat. Pointers on understanding business interruption for commercial clients. Time is money to these people. You need to shift your mindset from a residential to a commercial. We're going to talk about billing practices to dodge the 120-day wait time. We're going to talk about scoping tricks for high rises and condos and industrial or anything else in between. We're spilling the secrets national firms use, except we're handing them to you. They don't want us to do that. CATx isn't just a newsletter, though. With a full package. Live webinars will be available. One-on-one coaching is, of course, on-site workshops, which we have one coming up that I will tell you about more. An exclusive crew of professionals to connect with. Myself, my colleagues, all with experience. The blueprint is your front door. You want more? We've got the deep dives to do that as well. Let's go beyond just the newsletter and the blogs and the webinars, and let's actually make sure we don't go another quarter or another year without you dominating in your market. Here's the bottom line. CATx, hopefully, is your launch pad. Decades of know-how served up to make commercial restoration yours. The blueprint, it's just your first taste. It's just for you to get to know us, to show you that A, we know what we're talking about, and B, you're more than capable of doing this already. You just need the way. You just need a GPS. We're talking about strategies, trends, and real talk delivered straight to you. So just subscribe to the blog and to the YouTube. You're onto something big, turning small moves into a standout company. Your company could be the go-to choice in your market. That's us, CATx, and that's your intro to the blueprint. What's holding your commercial game back? Cash? Fear? Know-how? Maybe all three? Drop it down in the comments. Ready to plug in and level up? Click our website, see what offerings we have, and check out the live event that we have coming up near you. Thanks for watching. See ya.